Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a shelf to your Keter Storytime Max garden shed, and I'm also going to show you how you can anchor it to its base.
So in one of my recent videos I bought and assembled this Keter Storytime Max garden shed. If you'd like to see the video on how I assembled it, I'll leave a link in the description box below for that. As I was assembling it, I noticed in the instructions that you can add 2 shelves into this as an option. And you can see here these extra support plastic bracket areas in the shed allows for 2 shelves to be added. So I made my shelf out of old bed slats. The dimensions for the shelf are on the screen now, and I took these dimensions from the manual. So with mine I added some support pieces underneath and glued and screwed them. So my shelf is the exact measurements as in the manual, which is the measurements that I showed on screen a moment ago. So the first thing to do is to open up the shed, and I'm going to get this shelf put in. So firstly, just hook one end of the shelf onto the support bracket. I'm going to use the top one. And then on the other side, just gently push the shed wall out slightly until it clicks into place. So there is the shelf in. Now it just needs to be secured. And for this there is these little dimples on the side where you can add some screws which go through the walls and into the shelf. So first I drilled some very fine pilot holes just to help guide the screws straight. I actually had a couple of leftover Keter screws from a previous shed that I built, so I used these, but you can just use some standard wood screws. And I just screwed these in with a screwdriver, and I was careful not to over tighten them. So these will just secure the shelf in place so it doesn't fall out. So that was the shelf done, and these can take up to 20 kilograms of weight according to the instructions. So the next thing to do was to anchor it to its base, and I made this base out of pallet wood and scrap wood. If you'd like to see the video on that, I'll leave a link to that video too in the description below. So there are 4 anchor points in the plastic floor base, and these are where we're going to anchor it. So to do this I used some Tech screws, and these are self-tapping and they have a rubber washer on top of them, and this will help to secure the base without damaging the plastic. You could just use standard washers if you like. So these were easy to install. I just drilled a small pilot hole in each hole, and with these self-tapping screws they just went down into the wooden base easily. If you have a concrete base, I have a video on how to attach and anchor a shed to a concrete base, and I'll leave that link in the description box below also to that video.
So that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.